Italian. And so once I was there, I
And a lot of times.
It was really good. We outside. We outside, man. We outside for real. We outside.
We in the woods.
Hey, if we get lost, Chad, you know where we're going?
What the heck's a felt sole? No, I don't know where we're going.
How many miles have we gone?
So this hike, we have got quite the group of people. We got a 14-year-old all the way up to a 68-year-old. We got 2 people straight from New York City flew in last week. My Aunt Vicky and Danny. And we got Nicole with us as well. She flew in last night. We also got Todd, Chad, and his wife Wendy. And they're my cousins, so first time hiking with them. And then of course we got Sexy Rexy and his daughter Brooke. So good group of people. We just walking through the lodgepole pines now, walking through Beckler Meadows. And the goal today is Dunanda Falls. We've got a campsite right at Dunanda. The special thing about Dunanda is the hot pools. There's hot pools right at the base of these waterfalls. So looking forward to getting the soak on. Just a great fall hike out here in Yellowstone. So I hope you enjoy the video. Oh my God. None of this nonsense over here. There's a wild man in the mountains. Yes. Fishing pole in that thing. Or an inner tube.
Whoa!
What up, New York?
I don't think we're in New York anymore.
Oh, nice. Good save. All right, so camp is all set up. Dinner has been cooked. It is time to go check out a waterfall, check out a hot spring. It's time to get our soak on. Nicole's ready. You ready to get your soak on?
Yes, come on, read.
Let's go. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Good morning. Slept so good. Got a little bit cold last night. We're gonna get some coffee, some breakfast. I think we've probably already lost half the crew. They packed up and left early this morning. So down to about 6 of us. So we're gonna get some food and some breakfast, and we're gonna go for another morning soak down here below Dunanda. Safe travels. Good luck, Brooke.
Hopefully some bears don't run into you.
I think they would have. I think they would have
I
gotten
didn't
us.
feel berry at all here. Like that. Is that like...
2 more bite the dust, and we're left with last of the Mohicans here.
Projects, and the kids, all they have to do is go across one block.
Oh, it is time to get our morning soak on. Let's do it. So somebody forgot the origami crane paper, which is me. So she's gonna get us some paper out of a mountain house mill. Can we just use our teeth?
I don't know. I was trying to just get you a straight line, but I don't.
No, I think that's good. That'll work. Let's do it.
Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. And that you could, for example, have the power within one night to dream 75 years of time, or any length of time you wanted to have. And you would naturally, as you began on this adventure of dreams, you would fulfill all your wishes. You would have every kind of pleasure you could conceive. And after several nights of 75 years of total pleasure each, you would say, well, that was pretty great. But now let's have a surprise. Let's have a dream which isn't under control. Well, something is going to happen to me that I don't know what it's going to be. And you would dig that and come out of that and say, wow, that was a close shave, wasn't it? And then you would get more and more adventurous, and you would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. And finally, you would dream where you are now.
Hi, New York. What do you think of Dunanda? Well, how was Dunanda? What did you think of the hot spring?
Oh, I mean, come on. That was like unexplainable. Beautiful.
Vic, what did you think of it?
Well, I have to tell you, it was probably the most spectacular hot springs I've ever been in, because it had this built-in mist that was coming over your face as you were steaming underneath.
What do you think of Dunanda?
It was freaking amazing.
Good waterfall.
Good waterfall. Good campsite.
Yeah.
Yep.
It was beautiful.
One for the books.
That's it. Dunanda hike, Yellowstone.
Woo!
We getting out of here.
Good go.
Hey, Danny, tell these people to subscribe to my channel.
Yo, what the hell you doing if you didn't subscribe? And I know you're watching right now. I know you're sitting right there looking into the screen. Go and click the button instead. That one is right there. I'm hating if you're not clicking that shit.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so that is gonna wrap up the Yellowstone Dunanda backpacking trip. Had such a great group of people coming with us. Todd, Chad, Wendy, Rex, Brooke, Vicky, Danny, and of course Nicole. So big group of people, fantastic group of people. Had the best time. The hot springs at the bottom of this waterfall is just something you think would be made up or in a movie or not even real, but It was just 5 stars. The rainbow at the bottom of this waterfall, that eternal rainbow, it's just pretty special. So we're walking across this never-ending Beckler meadow, and we're about to get out of here. So thanks for joining us on this hike. Make sure, yeah, you guys are subscribed to the channel. Check it out, lock it in, push that subscribe button for me, and yeah, stay tuned. We'll catch you on the next video.